Hi guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel 1-2-Step, where today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can create your folders in a Google Drive using your mobile phone. To do so, all you have to do is first of all be logged in into Google Drive like I already am. After you are logged in into Google Drive, you can see a new option right here on top of files on the bottom right side of your screen. Simply click on this new option right here. And after you do so, you can see that these options will appear. Now simply click on the folder option, and now you can see a new folder pop up appear, where now if you just name the folder to whatever you want and simply click on create, your folder will be created, and that is how you'll be able to create folders in your Google Drive. This is for this video, and I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for review and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.